Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Immediate Wreath. Let's go ahead and get started immediately. This is the left side. It's at the belt line. I'm going to come over and I'm going to put a dimple in there, just like that, and bring it over to the center. And then we're going to come around like this, just like that. So then I'm going to fold it in half, like we see Boris Mocha and Linwood Darkest do. And we're going to come across the top like this. And then I'm going to do a wreath here. Then I'm going to bring the wreath across the bottom where I just came from. Then I'm going to come up here like so. I'm just going to go straight back like that, nothing folded, just straight back like that. I'm going to bring my tie through here, back through this loop, and it's just unfolded just like that, just regular. And I'm going to do a wreath and I'm going to come around like this. I'm going to have it folded across like this. I'm going to put the collar down. And there you have the Immediate Wreath. So again, own no style, my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made. Catch you in the next video. You can see this picture, the picture for this knot on my Instagram, Simmonsessentials. Peace and God bless.